Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. This is Keisha Reese and today is Sunday, so you know that means we are uploading a video. So today we will be doing quesadillas, and those were the ingredients. So here I have boiled my chicken and the chicken is ready. We are sauteing vegetables. I did want to add these onions and bell peppers to mine. Of course, you know, you just take what you need. If you want to do the same, then go ahead. That's the oil in the pan. I drizzled a little olive oil in there to get hot. Okay, so then we have the chicken already shredded. I shredded it up and just did a little salt and pepper in there. And I'm going to get ready to add those sauteed onions and bell peppers. There we go. And then we're just going to go ahead and stir that up, just so everything will be mixed up really well when we get ready to make the quesadillas in just a second. Just taking my time. Here we go. Stir it up a little bit, girlfriend. Those colors are really pretty. You guys know I love onions and bell peppers, so I add them with mostly everything. It just gives it good flavor, and the colors are beautiful. Okay, so now we have our cast iron skillet here, and I am putting the tortilla shell in the pan. And then so I'm going to start adding a little shredded cheese on that. And make sure you have enough. You can also do the Mexican style cheese. That's really good. I added that with the next set of tortillas. And then I'm getting ready to add this chicken in. Here we go. Just kind of evenly distribute it across that cheese. I like mine kind of thick, so I put enough on there. I was in the mood for Taco Bell today, so I told my husband, I said, you know what, I'll just make tortillas myself, the quesadillas. I've done the steak kind before, but today we were in the mood for chicken, so we did chicken. So then after I put my chicken down, I'm going to go ahead and add some more cheese on top of that. And I like to make sure that I get around the edges because that really seals it together to melt everything really good. I don't want those edges falling apart and then everything starts falling out. That's what happened the last time. So that's why I'm patting it. You see me going around the edge. So it's just cooking now. And I don't know if I didn't have my eye up good enough at that point. But I took my spatula, of course, and I'll get ready to flip it. And when I flip it, you'll get to see that it wasn't brown for me. So it was crispy, but it wasn't brown. So I'll come back in a minute and you'll see me add just a little vegetable oil around the edges just to brown it up and make it really pretty. But of course the tortilla shells just need to be warmed up and everything in the inside is already done. Excuse me. Come on, girlfriend, where you at? I'm looking at it, I'm like, I know I went and got some oil. Okay, so here we go. This is when we start drizzling the oil around the edges, just a little bit. And so I'm gonna let that cook down a little bit more, and there are the results. It's just really pretty brown. I got to have that brown. So it's really crunchy, a nice crunch. The cheese is melted. And this set here is for my husband, so I did him 2 of those. And you see the bottom ones are not as brown, but he was fine with that. So okay, showing you the thickness of it. You can see that cheese and the onions and bell peppers. It just looks so pretty. And you guys, it was so good. Really, really good. And I'm just trying to break them apart. They're hot. And kind of plate them up. You guys, I have to get better with my plating. So let's turn it around. And then we're gonna get our homemade salsa. This salsa, his friend from work made straight out of his garden. Oh my God, it's delicious. So homemade tortillas and salsa. All right, you guys, see you later. Bye-bye.